Today was supposed to be the day I stopped being the cat who jumps at her own tail and started ruling the house. I woke up with main character energy. I was a jungle cat patrolling the perimeter for intruders. Then I saw her, a rival cat in the patio door. She looked tough, exactly like me. I didn't panic. I just executed a sophisticated tactical retreat under the sofa so fast I broke the sound barrier. Sitting in the dark, I felt something sparkly. Guys, I found it. The great hidden cache. 12 sparkly mice, 4 crinkle balls, and even that missing feather wand. I'm now the wealthiest hunter in the zip code. My plan? To stay right here and play with all 12 mice at the same time. It was a great plan.